good evening, good afternoon, good morning. So today's video, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kathleen. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. You will see the little clutch right there, so you can, this right here to the right or to the left, one of them, somewhere in the screen you will see it. So you can go ahead and subscribe, like, and also comment. Today I'm going to talk about how to take care of your natural hair, especially our black melanin. Yes, sometimes we don't really have time, we just like want to put a wig or weave in, so easy for us to go somewhere. I'm gonna show you after you wash your hair how to twist your hair. So, and I'm gonna show you guys what product that I use, and I'm gonna put all the description below. All right, so let's get started. I have this oil that I made with virgin oil, castor oil, and coconut oil, African shea butter, 100% natural. Yes, this one I have it, I bought it from a friend of mine. She have a website, she's on Instagram, I believe, and I'm gonna actually put her Instagram below so you can check it out. The product that I use, it is amazing. It helped my hair stay really soft. So I use this at the end of my hair and at the end. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So as you guys can see, I have my afro today. I just washed my hair and I decided to make the video for you guys so I can show you guys how I take care of my hair in a daily basis. So yeah, all right, and the 100% African shea butter, put all the description where you can find the shea butter down in the description below. So all right, let's get started, guys. So first I'm gonna take a small portion of my hair. It might be too hard for you, so that's why I use that product. It really make my hair really soft. So just take a small portion. We're going to twist the hair. You can use a brush like this if you don't have a comb. So you can use this, or you can use that one like that. All right, as you guys can see, my hair really kind of soft. So when you're gonna twist your hair, you're gonna separate it into two. You're gonna do it like this, go like this, left to the right, and then left to the right again. And then at the end, you're just gonna go ahead and do like this to make it a little curls at the end, like that. So you see how nice the twists look. You can see, guys, I had lost some of my front hair and I'm trying to grow the hair. So this oil can actually help you. How are you gonna do that? You have to be very persistent to do your hair, to make sure so your hair can grow. So you need to do it. You need to put the oil twice a day, or if you don't really have time, you can do it at least 4 times a week or 3 times a week. So I know some of you probably working, you don't have time. So at night, you can do it at night before you go to sleep. So you put the oil, you do a little massage, and then for like 2-3 minutes, and then you tie your hair and you go to sleep. So you do repeat that in the morning before you go to work, or you can do it in the afternoon when you're home, you get off work, you do it as well. So that will help your hair. And another tip, you need to do, when you do your hair before you go to sleep, you always have to have something to tie your hair, either a scarf like this, so you can tie your hair. You know, you don't want to go to sleep and have your hair like looking like a mess, even though, and especially you're gonna put grease in your hair, you you will need that to have something to tie your hair. So I'm going to repeat the same thing again. You guys can see the little curls on my hair. So you will thank me later for that, for those of you who want to grow your natural hair. And it's really kind of simple things. You don't have to pay a lot of money to do your hair. this is the finished look, guys. You guys can see the front of my hair. I lost some hair. I'm trying to make them grow back, so that's why I'm using the natural coconut oil shea butter. And I told you guys I use this product. It make my hair really soft for me to comb my hair. So my friend, I will link the description below for that. And the African shea butter, 100% natural. You guys can also buy it at Walmart, Amazon, Ross. So yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. You will see the button in the left side or right side, so go ahead and subscribe so you can know whenever I post videos. This video was helpful to you, how to twist your hair, how to take care of your natural hair. So go ahead and do so, share it with a friend, and let me know what video you guys want me to do for you next. And love you guys.